In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Trust Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, have both the Trust Wallet extension and the Phantom Wallet extension on your Chrome web browser. But if you're using this on the phone, and if you're trying to do this on the phone, you can do it on your mobile device as well. The steps are similar, so it's possible on both devices. The first thing you want to do, if you're doing it on Chrome like me, you simply want to go to Phantom Wallet, which is up here for me, and you want to, of course, log into your wallet. From there, you want to click on A1, so top left where it says account 1, and then yet again, you want to click on this account over here. Now, if that doesn't do anything, you want to go to settings down below, and then you should see account 1 over here, and then you want to click on account 1. From here, you want to click on Show Recovery Phrase because that's what we're going to need. Now, before you do this, make sure nobody's watching because this is a private phrase you shouldn't show anyone. So I'm going to click over here. It's going to request my password to basically allow me to see it. I'm not going to type it in right now because I don't want you to see it. It's a private phrase. But once you type in your password and press continue, you'll be able to see those 12-word recovery phrase. Now, you simply want to copy those 12 words, and then once you've done that, we can now move to your Trust Wallet. So you can open up the extension up here, click on those three dots, and then view full screen so we can see it in full screen like me. From here, what you want to do, you have those 12 words copied. You want to go to top left where it says Mnemonic 1 or whatever your name of your wallet is. Click on that and click Add New Wallet. From here, click on Import or Recover Wallet. So once you click that, you'll have to enter in your password of your Trust Wallet. So I just did this. Press Next. And then over here, where it says Import with Secret Phrase, make sure I have a 12-word secret phrase. So if anything else is selected over here, make sure you just select I have a 12-word phrase. Okay. So just do this, and then you want to paste in all those words you copied from your Phantom Wallet. So one by one, paste them in, and then you want to click Next, and then press Import or whatever it says, and after that, your Phantom Wallet will successfully be connected to Trust Wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.